Yo yo, we live. Maybe we are, probably. Yo yo yo, good morning, people. Yoo-hoo! Stuff like that. Uh-huh. Yep. So I already started to work a little bit this morning, but I'm pretty stuck actually. Because I broke my shader. Woohoo! I broke my circle shader. Did Oh, my FPS is so low. So weird. And now it's frozen. Let's hope it doesn't crash. Wow. That's the longest freeze ever. Yeah, crash. Yay! That's a good start. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, I broke my shader somehow. I tried to improve it a little bit, and it broke it pretty badly. And I don't understand how the L, it doesn't work anymore. It should work. I don't know why it doesn't. So yeah, skip restore. Bunch of crap anyway. Looks better already. Just with crashing the engine and reopening it, looks already better for some reason. Okay. Screens were not good. Empty bounds, level test. What the hell is that thing? Can I just fix that? Can I save this? So it doesn't complain next time? Okay. So. How does that look? It's a circle. Yay, that's good. I have a circle. Okay, can I go see my shader now? Not that one. This one. Okay, so yeah, I add that. That's good. Can I? Thank you. Trying to keep everything on the same screen, maybe. Okay, so we have one shader right here. I don't think I have to change anything else right now. Oh, I lost a bunch of work. Oh, that's a little bit annoying. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Hey, hello. How's it going? So yeah, my problem I have right now is that I'm not able to add these two together. I have two circles in the wall space, and when I'm adding them together, it breaks everything for some reason. See, it's all white now. Is it because of that one? Maybe that one is not good though. I'm gonna fix my values here first. This is it. Then that one's gonna be 300 by 300 by, let's say, 500. So, see. So yeah. So yeah, I just have like one tiny thingy here for some reason. It's weird. It's so weird. Maybe it's because of the -1 here. Actually, I can probably remove the multiply for now. 1 minus. Because I just want to have like 2 circles right now. Oops. Not this. This is gonna be here. Gonna be like there, and this at the top here. So yeah, I just have 1 circle. And the other one is like supposed to be here. Actually, if I multiply this, I saw that if I multiply this by, let's say, a color, so let's see if I put this back to like red, and then, oopsie, oh yeah, no, that's good. And I want to do the same thing down here, so I'm gonna multiply it by another color, let's say blue. If I do that, it works, I think, if I remember correctly. Yep. So that seems to work. So then I can like probably just move the circle away a bit so it's easier to see. So let's say 500 here, and then that other one I can put it like at 600 by 600, and then make it like bigger. Oops, bigger I said. Maybe 800, just so it's far enough. So yeah, when we have colors here, it seems to work pretty nicely. But if I remove the colors, it breaks, and the circles, like one of them disappear somehow, and I don't understand why. So this is where I am right now. Yep, see, we have like a weirdly shaped circle. It's like combining them, but not in a good way, I guess. I don't know why. Is it because we need to clamp this, maybe? Probably clamp it before doing the -1. I don't actually know what is the output of that calculation thingy. It's probably between 0 and 1, but just to be safe. That's interesting. We have a different result. Oh yeah, because this is not used. Oh, that's it. I needed that clamp. Huh. If I knew, I would have saved a bunch of time. Okay, so what did I lose actually? Because this is the real thing here. And I think it might work. This. Actually, no, this here multiplied by that, boom, gives me the texture and stuff, so that's good. So I can plug this in. All that was just for testing. I can move this away. And then in there, we just have to clamp the thingy after the divide. Okay, so I'm just gonna reattach this here. I don't need that. In there. After the divide, if we clamp, might work. Yeah, that's a weird music. I go with that one. So, would it work? I only have one circle. God damn it. Why? What is that one? Maybe that one's not good. It seems weird. We'll go see. No, it should be good. So let's see. If I change those values. Just gonna put it here. And okay, the circle seems to move in that way. Okay, that's good. But the other circle just doesn't work. See, oh wow. Yeah, we're back with that effect. It's so weird. I don't understand. I don't understand. Okay, so if I just keep these two here and plug that right in there. Okay, same result. Perfect. That's what I thought. Why though? Why? So here they're supposed to be clamped here. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the alpha for now because we don't need it. Distance, divide, clamp. Then adding them together with a -1. I forgot a -1. That's why. Probably, maybe, possible. Ooh, that's a nice egg though. Want a egg? Want an egg? An egg? Want an egg? Oh, yes. Not sure. Not sure. Ooh. Yeah, totally not sure. It's weird. Okay. It's a start. Yeah. Yeah, it's so weird. Okay. So adding them together seems to make something. So red, green, distance, wall position, red, green, distance, divide by blue. That's good. And then clamp, -1, add to the same exact thing on the other side. So that should be fine. Okay, so what if we just plug this right away without doing any other crap? Because there's still like a bunch of craps after that. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna save it. Okay. Okay. That's weird. That one is good. That first circle is so weird though. That first circle looks like... Huh? Okay. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, we have something. We have something. Okay, just to be sure, I'm gonna add all of them. Okay, so what if I add another one? So we can have like a third circle. I'm gonna place it like here. Then another one. Then I'm gonna place like somewhere there. Okay, so we have beginning of something. So fun that we're back at the beginning. Not really, but okay, so this is working. That's great. There's a bit of weirdness here that might cause problem later, but we'll see. We'll see. Probably because of the -1 here. What if I just put the -1 here instead? I'm not sure it's gonna help, but we'll see. Yeah, no, it's not gonna help. Yep, exactly. Because it inverts the distance, so maybe here. Not sure. Hello, hello. Good morning, or afternoon, or whatever. Yeah, didn't help. Didn't change anything, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so we have this. So what's the result after that calculation here? I'm trying to optimize the shader because it was pretty bad. Okay, that seems alright. Not great, but woo. Okay, and if I put that back in, why so tiny? Everything's so tiny. What the heck? Okay, that should be adjustable, I think. The problem must be here. Yeah. Okay, still not great. I'm just gonna move that here. Okay, I think that's all right. Okay. I guess that's pretty good. Yeah, and it's all in shader now. We don't have a mesh. And I think the shader is way cheaper. Way cheaper. So I guess that's good. It's just inverted. Oopsie. Probably because of the -1 here. If I remove it, will it break? We'll see. If it breaks. No, it's the same game. We're just going back to the shader stuff a little bit, and then we're gonna continue where we left off with all the structures and stuff. Yeah, it's broken now. Yeah. I'm just going back on the influence zones a little bit because the shader was like super expensive, and I had some issues because right now, like, I'm not on a plane anymore, I'm on an island, so like there's like verticality in it, so the shader wasn't really working because it was just like a circle on top. But right now the circle applies to everything, so like that's better. Like, let's say if I move the circle here, like you see, so that looks good. Yeah. Yeah, we just have to inverse the result at the end. The alpha is gonna be useful. Where's the material? It's here. So we can just reverse those two. So this one here, that one there. And that should be good. We'll see. Okay, here we go. That's better. So now the colors are good now. That's good, that's good. Ooh. I like the effect. It's pretty nice. And it's pretty simple to do also, so that's good. Okay, I just want to see that the alpha is working. The alpha is not working anymore, but that's... I'm gonna fix that later, because I don't want to spend the whole stream on that thing. Yeah, the alpha is just not working at all. Like, it doesn't do anything. That's a bit annoying. Actually, why? Maybe I should multiply it before here, maybe. So yeah, before we add like some circles that were partially visible. Okay, that one seems to have broken everything. That's so weird. Okay. So doing that doesn't help. Yeah, because it makes it back to 0. Yeah. Because some of them. Yeah, you have to do that first. So this, and then maybe clamp. Maybe with the clamp at the end. That's the last thing I'm gonna try. And then I'm gonna go with something else. Because today, there's a couple things I want to do to make the build system a little bit more interesting. Not really more interesting, but just user-friendly, I guess. Okay, it doesn't really... Whoa. That's nice. To-do. Okay, it doesn't really do what I wanted to do. Yeah. But anyway. Yeah, the alpha should be probably multiplied at the end after the black circle. Will you publish it? Yes, that's the idea at the end. I wanna make the game available, or at least first step will be to make it complete, complete the game, and then I want to probably make it available to some people, try it out, and gather some feedback and improve it. And then once it's polished a little bit more, I want to publish it. I'm planning to publish it on mobile, so on Android first. Then we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna try like on Steam why not? Because it's still gonna be like a nice game, I think, for PC. Yeah, I want to do a beta first. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. I didn't think about that at all. But yeah. Yeah, the alpha doesn't work. No. Too bad. Too bad, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make sure that... Okay. Okay. So let's see. This is what I had. So now I'm just gonna reset everything. Because I guess the shader should be good enough for now. Okay. Just to make sure that it is more optimized. Yeah. 200 instructions. Before it was like 500 something. Yeah. So that's a bit better. So yeah, still not perfect, but it's a start. It's a start. Anyway, good. So can you come back, please? Here we go. And I don't have my save game anymore, so I'm just gonna go get it. Oh, I have a bunch of crap in there. Can you refresh? Give me back my save game. Okay, that's a bit better. The zone is not good. Yeah, it's so ugly right now. Damn. I tried to improve stuff and I just ended up breaking everything. I guess it's part of the process. Radius. Will this work? No, because I broke something here. Not really broke, but yeah, I don't care about that. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Oh, okay. We're kind of back. Now I just want to have this a little bit bigger. I don't know why it's not. Probably because in this blueprint there's a crap. It's probably overridden here somewhere. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Oopsie. I closed everything. I didn't want to that one. 300 maybe, 2000 maybe. Too big. I just want to have like something good. Damn. How big is this? That's weird. That's not normal. It's not normal. That's weird. Okay, whatever. 2000. Okay, good. Okay, so the next step was I was placing like a bunch of flow paths around like that, and like I was super annoyed that after like 30 seconds I was like, no Reiki. Like I don't want to play a game in which I'm gonna have like to place everything one by one like this. What time is there? Do you mean the time in my time zone? Like what is the time right now? Because it is 1:30 p.m. where I am. So yeah, because I don't wanna place all the paths like that every time. What I'm gonna do is like maybe another system that when I select one tile like this, I have the possibility to expand the tile, maybe in a path kind of way, like a snake thingy. So I can just drag around, and then it's gonna maybe spawn more paths, something like that. I don't actually know, but we'll see. So yeah. Yep. The tiles are gonna be continuous. Yeah. I also have like multiple textures like to turn them around. Not turn them, but change the shape based if they are like there are multiple tiles around them. I'm just not using them right now, but actually I don't have. Oh yeah, I have them. Like I have different mesh. I don't have any textures right now because I'm lazy. So they are just different meshes. So who cannot do that? So yeah, if I have like, let's say, a couple going in one direction, so this one will be the good one, and then that's just an empty one. If I get to the end, I have this one, and then if I get to like somewhere where there's more, or like a turning point, maybe. So yeah, I have all these. So the plan is to use these to build something that is easy to use in-game. And it's gonna also work with my current system. So that's what I was planning to do today. Will probably be easier if I just go with planes and stuff for now, though. So I could do that with all the directions. Or maybe I can just start. I'm gonna start by spawning them and then we'll see. So. So if I have that, the starting point is if I'm molding this, I will probably have like an option to spawn tiles on 4 sides, maybe. Or if I could just drag it, that could be nice. I want to try something. So if we have our mouse over the box and we're holding the tile and then we go out of the box, we're gonna see if we can spawn another tile there, and if we can, we're gonna do it. That's gonna be the first step, I guess. That is gonna be the first step. So cursor and door. And then we're gonna check is old. Nope. Held. No. I don't remember the name of my variables. Fully built, selected. Maybe we can just go with selected right now. We'll see. Is this gonna work? Okay, that doesn't work, so that's good. It's a good start. Is it because the collision doesn't work with the mouse? Probably, so let's go with visibility. Might be visibility? No. Just want to see. Okay, it's not working, so that's bad. Is it camera? Either. It's not camera, it's not visibility. So what it is? What is it? Query and physics, that should be good. Simulation, that doesn't matter. Is there end cursor over event working? Is it set up in my phone? The control room? Click events, mouse over events. They are not enabled, so we're just gonna do that. Okay, that's better. Okay, so it's getting out. So it's going out. So maybe I'm gonna just spawn an actor. This is just spawning it. La, la, la. Maybe I'm gonna change that function. Maybe I can spawn actor for external placement, something like that. So we don't deselect anything. We're just generating a new ID, spawning the actor, the transform. Doesn't actually matter, but we're actually gonna change it. To spawn transform, that's good. Set actor in game, it's false. Select the actor, not sure. And start moving, probably not. So we're just gonna do that first. Start, and then gonna simply return the actor. Okay. Spawn actor for external placements. Maybe something like that. I want to spawn the same exact class that it is in right now. So self, I want my own class. So we're gonna spawn exactly the same thing. And then yep, transform. This is gonna be the same for now, and then the location is gonna be on the left, right, like in another direction. In the direction that we want to go. So if we get the position of the mouse, or maybe like the finger, later. So we get a position of the mouse. Okay, so position of the mouse. I think I already add those functions somewhere. Convert screen location to walled space. That's what we're gonna do, I guess. So get the position on the screen. Maybe that's gonna be good enough. We'll see. Not used to that window. Get the player controller. Phone. Get touch location. So this. It's probably not gonna be good enough. Is there like a, what is it? Screen to world. Do you know any software which could make text-to-speech format formula? Nope. I don't know any software that could do that. Yeah, sorry. Transform the given to display false place point and direction. Convert the screen position and direction. Return false. Blah, blah, blah. That is the exact same function? That's weird. How to detect if I got left, right, up, or down? Okay, I can probably do something like that. Yep. Location. So if I get the distance between the mouse on my screen, then I can get the direction and add that together. So then I have more or less the position I have the cursor on the floor, and I'm probably gonna put the bug sphere just to see where's that position. The direction is gonna be 5 seconds, 5 thickness, radius 5. I just want to see if it's gonna work. So select the tile. Okay, seems to kind of work. Doesn't work in that direction somehow, but whatever. Okay, this works. Okay, I'm just gonna put a new one. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work great most of the time. That's so weird. Okay, what if I just use the location? Where is this thing? Pretty sure it's like in the camera, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So what if I use dproject screen to weld? Is this gonna work? Maybe that will work. Whoa, nope. That is still in the viewport. Which makes sense, because I guess it's the same function. How am I supposed to do that? So I want to know if my cursor is above or... Yeah. I want to know where my cursor is compared to the current thingy. Could use a line trace maybe, just to get the position on the ground. It's not that great. How am I placing something on the ground? So if I just go in my spawn manager, we'll see. How am I placing that thing? So every frame, I'm deprojecting, doing a line trace, and then positioning. Yeah. Okay, I could actually do that. It's not great, but sure. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Oopsie, I didn't want to push that far. So I'm just gonna direction, position, boom, boom, boom. Move this, doesn't matter. Okay. So like this, and then I want to have the location. Boom, boom, give me. So if I do a line trace, it should work all the time. Yeah. So that works. Okay. That's not great, but it works, so that's good enough. For now, for the first iteration, it should be good enough. So now I'm gonna spawn it. So to spawn it, I want the actor transform plus plus another vector that I'm gonna select. Actually, I want 4 choices probably, because I have 4 directions, and this is gonna give me the result. We're gonna use the same size as the box, so the box, since the scaling is 1 here, that means that the tile is 100 by 100, so we're just gonna get scale times 100. Actually, I just wanna have a float here because it's gonna just affect 1. Whatever. So that's good enough. Okay. So then we have to detect if it's closer to which ones. Honestly, I'm gonna be lazy for this one. So instead of a select, okay. So I can make an array. With all the possibilities. So they are actually, I'm gonna have 2 minuses. So plus x plus y minus x minus y. So these are all the possibilities. We're gonna test all of them because I'm lazy. So distance. So that distance is smaller than current closest. This one. This is gonna be the new closest, and we want to have that desired. Whatever, that's all good. Oh wow, that's ugly. Okay. Sure. Et ensuite, we go there, and then we're gonna use the desired here, and the current closest So if we touch something, we set the current closest to huge distance. I just don't want to. Hey, can I? Thank you. And then we're gonna compare everything, every possibilities to the location of the impact on the ground. And if it works, we're gonna get the closest one and we're gonna spawn something there. Okay. Okay, that seems fine. Now I'm spawning a ton of them, but whatever. Okay, that's a start. That is a start. So then what I want is to select it after that. So then select actor, and the one I want to select, whoa, mouse, thank you. I want to select the one that I just built. Okay. I don't actually understand why it doesn't work. Is it because they are too close to each other? Shouldn't be an issue. I guess they are too close to each other. Probably want to snap it to the grid. So we're just gonna snap it like so. Boom. So if I snap it to the grid right here, it should work now. Yay! Good, so now we have like a way to build a path without taking forever to do it. Okay. It's not great, but whatever. Okay. Takes way less time than before. But it's a bit clunky and doesn't work great. Okay. And I actually think that it's gonna be saved. So if I do that, save world, reload. Okay, one of them is broken, but it should be fine. Maybe the path should be completely different than the other build system thingy. Half of them are working, the other half is not. It's because of the unique ID. Can probably just deselect it. So if I deselect the current vector, spawn a new one, and then select that one, it should probably work. Boom. And then if I save and reload, yeah, that fixes the problem. Okay. So if we do that, will this work actually? We'll see how bad it's gonna do. Oh, it's actually good. Okay, it didn't break anything. Good. So now it will be nice to do the opposite. So if we have a tile selected and we're moving towards another tile, we move towards another tile, that other tile is gonna be the new selected one, and we want to destroy the current one. But only if we were on the first one though. Yeah. I think that we're gonna need like a path building manager or something. It's gonna be like an extra system on the side. It's not gonna be the same system, I think. Or maybe, so then maybe we can have like a grid, save a grid of all the paths that are in the world right now. I don't think it's gonna be necessary though. Because if we build and then we remove, that should work also. We should be able to remove them. But what if we build like this and then we go there and then we go forward? This is gonna remove that one, which is not good. That's not what we want. So we just want to remove the previous one. If we are going back to the previous one. For now, we're just gonna start by doing the first system, the first detection, to see if it works. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So here I want to know get actor under finger. This is gonna be the first step. Boom. I'm gonna move that. If I have an actor, like if the actor is valid, boom. I don't know why that, whatever, it's all right. So if the actor is valid, and actually I'm just gonna cast it. But this one for now. If it's not, doesn't matter, we go there. So that's all right. But if we do, what we want to do is destroy it. Actually, destroy the previous one. So the current one. And we want to select that one instead. So if we actually, this should work if I just call destroy. I think it's destroyed. How do we destroy an actor? Is it remove? Oh, did I destroy something? We're gonna go see. Remove from world. Can I add like a tooltip or something? Whatever, it's all right. Okay. So I'm gonna remove self from the world. Oops. And then we're gonna select the next one. Maybe do the opposite though. We'll see which one is gonna work first, if that thing's gonna work or not. So that seems to work. Okay, that seems good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, but I want to try if it still works. So I'm just gonna do that square here, and then I'm gonna remove the square maybe. I don't know. Sure, something like that. I want to see if everything seems to work. So save, reload. It looks the same, so I guess everything works. Good. Okay, I'm fine with that. So we removed the actor. Okay. But now this is the part where we need to make sure that it's in the same path. And if we can go there or not. Oh damn, that's gonna be a bit annoying, I think. Okay. That's a good start though. That's a good start. So okay. So maybe we're just gonna do the path thingy somewhere. So do I want to have the path manager here or in the core. Can probably put that in the path, I guess. Which makes sense, I guess. VP path matcher. Put one in the scene. Boom. And then back with the other one. I go with the other ones. Okay. So I have my path manager here. That's good. Okay, so if I have a path tile selected and how can we make that working on mobile? If my finger is on an object and I just move out of it, is that really the best solution? Because yeah, there's no difference between the finger position and the finger position when it clicks, like just a tap. Oh damn. So, how can I detect? How can I detect if this how can I see the difference? Let's say I'm holding that object, then I can move. I can't flag it at hold right away. Oh, that's bad. That's a bad. I messed up something. Whatever. Yeah. Because this should work also, I think. No? Should it? Or maybe I can just enable a feature like a path building. So let's see. I select an object and then I can click on a button that turns into the path mode, and then wherever I am, the finger is, I'm trying to build a path towards it. If one If the instance doesn't work, it's not gonna work. I still want to have the preview, just in case. Let's see. Let's try that. Okay. So we're just gonna go with an option. How do we add an option though? Okay, just gonna remove that. Boom. Because right now I want a different option if it is a path. If it's a path, we want a different option when we select it. So we're just gonna go see the user interface for now. Where is that thing? That thing? Yep, okay. So this is not in the right place, so I'm just gonna move it. Here, move. Here we go. Fix the directors. Here we go. Okay, so we have the buildable actor widget. If it's a path, we want to have another button. Maybe we can add it to everything and just select, like, I guess that makes more sense. It's easy. Can probably do that. Okay. Button path mode. Image path mode text path mode. That's odd. Button move, image move. That's weird. Whatever. It's alright. Okay. So this I'm gonna just put it at the top. Because why not? Path mode. Okay. Okay. An image button down. I don't want to drag. I'm gonna do the same thing as the side arrows instead. They are not bind, but they are on the border. So I guess I'm gonna add the border too. Something like that. Sounds good. So border path mode that we're gonna bind. Okay. We're gonna do the same thingy. Not really gonna be the spawn manager though. It's gonna be handled. But maybe I want to deselect it actually. Because it's gonna be handled by something else. Can probably, whatever. Deselect. We're gonna deselect the actor. If we click on that, and then what we want to do is getting the path manager. That we're gonna have to go create a variable for it. Path manager here. That we have to go get in the game mode first. Path manager here. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. I have to change that. variable type. Here we go. Just plug it in. Here we go. Then we go here, get path manager. Whoopsie. Get path manager here, and I'm gonna return that. Boom. Delete that one. Delete this one. There we go. So now we have a getter for that thingy that we can get at the beginning. Pick and play. Set up a manager, get manager, boom, boom, boom. Okay. So this is gonna get path manager, then we can enable the path thingy in there. So I don't know. Custom event, nope. Custom event enable path mode for now. This is gonna be what it's called, path mode set to true. There we go. Something like that. Actually, boom. Then in the widget, when I click on that button, I get the path manager, enable path mode. Enable it. Here we go. So this is what it's gonna do right now. So if I select the path now, I have the path mode, click on it, it's in path mode now. Doesn't do anything yet, but it's gonna be. Thing is, no, I guess that's fine. Or maybe I can like. Yeah, I actually don't know if it's gonna be nice enough. That's a pretty complicated feature to implement on mobile, I think. Do you know any mobile game that has some path in it? Like just possibility dragging stuff out and building stuff with it? Like with a swipe building a bunch of the tiles and stuff like that. Mobiles are pretty limited. Drag and drop to place the things in the level. Then all the object to go in edit mode for that object. Then we can move it, rotate it. If it's a path, we can click on path mode. But then we still have to move. So that's not good. Maybe if we have the arrows in the level, so then we can like click on it, that just spawns one, but if we hold, we can spawn multiple of them. Oh, that could be good actually. Oh, that could be good. And then the arrows don't spawn if we can't. Oh, that could be interesting. So what if? Okay. Probably gonna delete all that crap. Doesn't matter anyway. Okay. I'm gonna do it in the path itself instead of doing in the child one. Doesn't matter anyway. Okay, so here. So I have my path. I can have I want planes. That plane is gonna be 100 that way, or about 100 minus 100. Boop. 100. Thank you. Nope. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Okay. Give me my whatever. 0. 100. Boom boom. Minus 100. Oof. Okay. Here we go. So these are all the arrows. The height, I'm gonna put them above ground a little tiny bit. Just a little bit. Let's do that. Okay, that's good. So now we have our path, our directions that we can build stuff. And then if we click on these, it's gonna build a new one. Or if the mouse enters these tiles, it builds a new one. And at the same time, when we spawn the tile or when the tile is selected, well, maybe we're not gonna need the manager. Maybe a little bit, not too much though. I hope not. Okay, we'll see. Go. So we're just gonna all these planes. Not a scene above them. Like here, maybe. Boom, boom. This is gonna be path system, whatever. I don't care. Okay, so these. They have collisions already. Not actually. I don't actually know if I want the collisions or not. Oopsie. I don't know what I did. Custom collisions. No physics. Only query. I want to plug the camera. Drink. Should be good. How did I do the other one? That one I did it with mesh collisions. It was plugging a bunch of crap. We'll see if I'm gonna restore the crap. I removed that one. Go away. This thing here. Gonna restore that just to see if it works. Okay, that's crappy. Yeah, no, that's not good. I'm gonna hide these. Hidden game, please. Thank you. Okay, that doesn't work anymore. Somehow. It's probably because of these, actually. So no collision. Maybe. That's weird. Why is it not working anymore? Come here. No. Not that one. Not this one. That one. Oh, damn. I'm gonna need a ton of them. Yeah, there's no way for me to detect which one it is. Except if I eject and select it like this. And then I can probably select it here. That's good. And then I can process, and then I can understand why it doesn't work. It's just not called anymore. That's nice. My code is not called anymore. Why? Okay, I broke everything. Okay, so it's the visibility channel, I think. So I can remove the camera. Okay, it's the visibility channel. Okay. Okay. Oof, that's bad. Good. So since it's the visibility channel, we want these cubes here to block the visibility. Boom. That's easy. No physics collisions, that's good. Object type, this is gonna be, I don't care. That should not matter. Okay, so now, what do I want? I want to cursor begin over. Actually, I'm just gonna go with on click for now because I want to make sure it works. So on click, and it might actually work without having to add the untouched. Probably. We'll see. We'll see. So unclicked plane. I'm gonna do it on all of them. Okay. So we have all our planes. We're gonna identify them. And actually, these should never rotate. So I think that if I put the rotation as world on this thing, it should be good. We're gonna try that pretty soon too. And actually, I'm gonna try it right now. So if I put this to 0.1, just to see. Okay, that doesn't work. We're just gonna unselect it somewhere. Is there on? How can I detect? Actually, it's probably like an old. I'm gonna implement this event. Call the parent. And then what I want is set hidden in game to false. And we want to do the opposite here. And we want to propagate to children for sure, because that thing doesn't matter. Only the planes under it matters. And actually, I think I've hidden all of them. Whatever. Okay. So now if I select the thingy, they should become visible. Okay. Okay. They're probably the select function instead, because this is the one I want. Yeah, select actor. That's the one I want. And then I want the deselect. So yeah, screw these, and that's not what I want. So in select actor, we want these things to be visible. And in this select actor, we want them to be hidden. And then these can go away because I don't care. Okay, so now this is better. That's good. And if I rotate, yeah, so that's great. That's exactly what I want. So the middle part is rotating independently of the other ones. So that's great. So at all time, I'm gonna know which one is forward, which one is backwards. So that's good. And then if I want to have like different colors for different directions for some random reason, that's gonna be fine too. Okay, good. Good. So now we have planes. So this one, we're just gonna make this one. Good. So this plane is gonna be forward. This plane is gonna be back. This one's gonna be left. And that one's gonna be right. Here we go. So front, right, back, left. Here we go. Okay. So now we have our 4 planes, front, right, back, left. Okay. And actually, we can do something right now. When we select the thingy, instead of showing all of them, we want to show only the ones that are valid. So what we can do is probably just loop through all of them, do a sphere trace or whatever, just to detect if there's already an actor built there. That's an easy thingy to do. So we can probably do that. So make array. Boom, boom, boom. And a for loop. Here we go. And then sphere trace by channel. Actually, I guess that's good enough. Sphere trace by channel. Get the world location of that thingy. For both, the radius is gonna be like 25, doesn't matter. Channel is gonna be world actor, not complex. Ignore actor, nothing. Draw the block type, yeah, sure. Ignore self, why not? Good. And if it's not valid, we're gonna hide it. So if it's not valid, that thingy here should be good. Okay, so if it's not valid, we're gonna show it or stuff like that. So that's good. That didn't work for some reason. Okay, so that doesn't work. That clearly doesn't work. That means that my sphere trace are touching something for some random reason. That's weird though. Okay, let's see which actor it touched. So it actor, run the name. Spawn grid, spawn grid, spawn grid. Okay, that's weird though. The spawn grid should not be a problem. Because it should not be a world actor, it should only be a spawn grid, no? Maybe I can go with for object then instead and go for a world actor object. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Sphere trace for objects. Tiny radius. Whatever, doesn't matter. And that one's gonna be a wall actor. Boom, boom. Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. And whatever. Can draw it for fun. Okay, so maybe that's gonna be better. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So now it's only showing the places where we can build a new path. And then if we click on that thingy, instead of deselecting the object, we're totally gonna we're gonna spawn a new path there. Poof, 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 poof. So that could be the first version that could work. Okay, anyway, we're gonna do that. So, what do we want? We want these to block the channel used to click on an actor, which is, I don't actually know which one it is. Get actor on the finger. It is a world actor trace. So we're gonna block the world actor trace. Oh, maybe that's... Oh, damn. The it component just became useful. We're gonna have to add the it component here. That's a bit annoying, but whatever. What is it? It's an actor component, I think, or primitive component object. So it's gonna be a primitive component. Here we go. And this is pre-tab. And in tab 2, I guess, primitive component. And then I guess I have to go in my world actor, change something here. Where's the pre-tab? The pre-tab. Hit component, we have to pass it, so that should be good. Okay, so now this should not deselect anymore, which it does. Oh, damn. Oh, but it tapped on it. It taps it, but also deselects it. I guess when I'm tapping on it, I'm deselecting it. Maybe that's not what I want. Okay. So how am I supposed to not deselect it? For now I can just like, maybe I don't care and I just reselect it. Oh, that's not good, but whatever. So on tab, implement event, not old, on tab, thank you. We're gonna call the parent, because why not? And then what we're gonna do is get manager, get spawn manager. We're gonna do that, probably just on tab, it's good enough, I think. Select actor, we're just gonna select self. It's not great at all, but it's gonna be good enough. So now if I click on a path, these one stays selected. Good. Except if the component is the main one, I guess. So maybe I can static mesh component cannot contain a primitive component, really? That doesn't make sense. Oh, that's annoying. Let's go with that thing then. Here we go. If it contains any of them, we're gonna just simply reselect. Good enough. Okay. So right now, if I select the path, I click aside, it deselects it. Oh, that's weird though. Why would it do that? Okay, we're gonna start by first, when they are hidden, they should not be collision. The collision should not work. So when they are not hidden, what we want to do, set collisions enabled, query only, no physics. And when we deselect them, we want to get out of them. Boom, 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 boom. And remove the collisions. No collisions. Okay. So right now it should fix the problem. Hey, I said it should fix the problem. Oh no, okay, by default they are enabled, so I'm just gonna remove that. I'm lost. VP, path, sure, good enough. Here, by default, no collisions. So now if I click on them, that's good. If I select it, click away, it works. It doesn't select the next one, that's good. If I select the main one, it works also. But if I click on the right, or if I click on any sides, it stays selected and taps. But whatever, that's all right, I guess. Because they are not gonna spawn anything. Okay, okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Getting there, slowly getting there. Okay. So I'm selecting the actor. And then the next step is just to spawn. Is to spawn something. Actually, I'm not gonna select it. That's interesting. Because I'm not gonna need to select it because I'm gonna spawn a new one, but whatever, it's alright. Okay. So. Now, yeah, that was a big mess. So we're just gonna keep that little part here. Boom. So what we want to do is detect which one we touched. And based on that, so I guess if we find, it's gonna give me the array index that I want, which is gonna help me selecting where to spawn. Actually, no, I don't need that. Because I can just get its location. Oh, that's great. Get world location. Here we go. The only thing I want to do is to use the same z values, same z value as the current actor. So what I'm gonna do is split this instead. I don't care about that. So and I actually might want to snap it though. So okay, this is gonna be a little bit ugly, but whatever. I want the x and y, and I want the z value of that thingy. So then we have our new transform. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Boom. So I'm gonna spawn a new tile when I click on it. And then I'm gonna select the next one. I think that's gonna be good. Oopsie. I need that node here. Boom. Okay. So maybe that's gonna be good enough. So. Please work. Here we go. We can place multiple paths like that. And it's not that painful to do. That's actually great. That's good. Okay. Now make it better. So if I drag from one of these, I want to be able to drag a path. And also, we probably want to go back if we can. If it was a previous one, we want to be able to go back. This is where we're going to need a bit of persistency. A little bit. Or if we don't have a previous one, so if we select this one maybe, we probably want to like just be able to go back. Maybe. Can we? Do we? Not yet. We're gonna start by one and then do the other one. Okay. So how are we gonna do that? Because right now this is working only when we tap it. But we might also want to do it if we mouse enter it. How can we do that actually? Okay. How can we do that? So if the finger over something, do we wanna do that? Ourselves? Like, I mean, do we want to do that in the do we want to detect that ourselves? Because we want it to work when we start overing, so we can try it out simply for now. So for all of them, unbegin cursor or can maybe try that. So I'm just gonna collapse all that, I think. Add new path. Some more spawn. Spawn new path tile. Let's go. This is gonna be a component. And we want to do the same thing here in all of them. Boom. Oof, that's not great. Whatever. We'll see if it works. Okay. So. Okay, that seems to work. That should not have worked actually. Yeah, that's actually. Oh, damn. Yeah. And it broke everything because sure. Because yeah, mouse over only works. Because right now it works only, it works when I move my mouse over the object, which makes sense, which is good. But the thing is, I want to also have the button clicked So if I go back in my pawn, I want to see, get actor on the finger. Does it need to? Yes, it does need. It doesn't need to be clicked. Or maybe it does actually. Oh no, never mind. It doesn't need to. So touches on screen. I can probably just make sure that there's a touch on screen. First of all, I can try that at the beginning just because I don't want to. Okay, get pawn. Nope. Pawn. Yep, touch on screen. Linked. I guess only if it's equal to 1. We don't want to have like more than one touch on screen when we do that, probably. So now this is only gonna work if, yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. That caused some issues. Because this is not... Yeah, if I click on the thingy, yeah. Yep, it breaks stuff so bad. Yeah. It works if I hold the main object, but as soon as I start overing, the other one doesn't really work. So I should probably create a new function that is like over, which would make sense. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Blueprint interface somewhere. Hover. There's no pre-over. There's probably a step over though. Over and step over. And we probably want to have the component. Primitive component, boom. Step over, whatever. Sure, why not? Given the component also. Okay. So then we gonna go call them. So where is tab called? Find reference. Okay. Untouch released. We don't really want untouch released. Touch pressed. Actually, it's not really over, it's more like touched. Start touch, stop touch. Sure. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. So then, what if we have like 10 fingers on the screen? We probably wanna. Yeah, I can probably do that. Yeah. So, update touch actors. Touch to touch actors. Touched actor. This is gonna be actually I could have a narrate to nah, should be fine. Okay, so the L actor is simply an actor. That's a bit sad. Okay, I guess it can be an actor. So an actor. Update touches actor, so what I'm gonna do is just for each loop in these. I want to get the actor under the finger. If there's an actor, we want to compare it. If it's the same, we're not gonna do shit. So if it's not equal, we're gonna do something. And something what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna check if this one is valid. So we have two things to do. First one, if this one is valid, what we're gonna do is stop touch. And the component actually not gonna be good. So I'm gonna remove the component, I guess. Oh, damn. Because the component matters. If we start touching, well, let's see, I start touch this one and then move to the component. Yeah, that's not great, actually. Yeah, I think that's a bad idea then. That is a bad idea, probably. Oh, fudge. So then what is the point? Cursor over. So then I should get all the other events. Like the touch begin and the other one. Touch begin. And there's the thing, the mouse button down or something. Begin overlap and overlap. Wake, sleep, begin cursor over, end cursor over. On click, release, touch begin, touch end, touch enter, leap. Oh, that's not good. Okay, we'll see if it works if we do that. I hope that the touch begin's gonna work. I'm not sure though. Doesn't work. I think there's a way to convert clicks to touch. Unless this event here is called the unclicked, but yeah, that's not good. Oh, damn. So maybe it's a good idea then? It's just that I won't have access to the end. What would be the best way to do that actually? Damn. I actually don't know. Because if, let's say, if I want to put the that works great. That's all right. But if I click here, that's annoying. Should not be a problem actually. Yeah, why? That was working before. Okay, that's not good. I broke something. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna delete that. Just close it. Okay. Why is it broken now? Because if we tap on it, it's supposed to call it tap. But the tap here, I guess, doesn't have any touches on screen. Because the touch is removed. Oh, damn. Okay. So this is not gonna be there. So this is gonna be all here. So I need a wrapper around them. Spawn new path tile if fingered on screen. Whatever. That's a bit annoying, but whatever. That's not a big deal compared to everything else. Ooh, nope. Go here, thank you. Okay. Can I replace these? Set function? No, they still didn't add that. Whatever. Untouch begin should already be working. Anyway, that's gonna be here. That should be the... That should fix everything. So if I click now, it seems to work. But if I drag, it doesn't work great. Yeah. So the thing we want to do is click that's bad too. Okay, I should fix that also. It's gonna give me a bit of time to think about other things. So the sphere trace here, can I multi-sphere trace? Nope. Trace for object. Can I have a box? Multi-box box trace for object. That should be good enough. So the start and end are gonna be the same. The alpha size is gonna be like 50, 50 by 50. The orientation 0, 0, 0, that's good. The object type is good. And I don't care about anything else, but I want to see it for duration. Good. Bad. Fudge. Okay, 50, 50, 50 is a little bit too big. But like 49 should work. Actually, since my grid is by 25, I'm just gonna put it like 45, just so it's cuter than 49. 49 is not pretty. Okay, so that works. Yeah. So that's all right. Okay, that's better. Good. Good, good, good. Nice. Goodbye, sphere trays. That's nice working with you, but you're not good enough. Okay, that's a little bit better. No debug, I don't care. Good. Okay. But now, that was easier than expected, and I didn't have enough time to think. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go get more water. Yeah. It's gonna give me enough time to think. So, be right back in like 2 minutes. I'm back. Hello, hello, hello. Yoi. She. Okay. So, how am I supposed to do that? Hmm. Okay. So the problem now is that if I select a thing, I click on this, and I'm trying to drag it out, it doesn't work. Oh. No, but that's not what I want. I clearly don't want it. It's gonna break it again. So this is not working. Or maybe I can just make it in old. That could be good. Yeah, that could be good enough for now, I guess, until I find a new solution. So if I go in my path, what I can do is if if we tap, it's gonna spawn the tile, but same thing if we hold actually. So hold, implement, boop boop boop. Probably wanna have the component too. So we're just gonna go do that. Interface, old. In the pre-tap, I don't have, I have the component. So I'm gonna do the same thing in the old. So primitive component, and in the pre-old, I'm gonna do the same in case we need them somewhere in the future. And then in my world actor, pre-tap, pre-old, boom. And then what I want is in the pawn, when I'm holding something, I'm gonna pass the component. Here we go. So then if I'm holding it, if I go in the path, I'm just gonna do that. And it should be good enough. Oh, damn. So this way, if I just hold from the start, it works. If I hold that little part here, it works also. And if I click on it, it works. That's better than nothing, I guess. Yeah. That's good. Okay. Now it would be nice to destroy something, actually. So if we go back, but how to determine what is back? Okay, what if we just go back? It's just gonna destroy the actor and see where it goes from there. Okay, so the thing is, right now, if we touch something, we want to see if it's another path. Just path. If the cast works, we're gonna do that. The thing is though, this is gonna be a different texture. But for now, doesn't matter. I just wanna see if it works. Okay. Okay, so now it's always possible. Except if I'm against another object. Okay. If we started to build an object, we don't want to destroy. But if we start by destroying an object, everything's gonna be destroyed. Okay. So that's why we have the manager, which is not much, but whatever. Okay, so I don't care about that. Is building or destroy. Okay. This is the spawn one. This is gonna be called spawn or destroy. And same for this one. It's gonna be spawn or destroy. And we wanna have a spawn at tile or destroy, but or just doesn't matter. No, I guess that's good enough actually. Yeah, that is gonna be good enough. I just have to check something here. If we want to spawn or destroy, this is where we're gonna detect it. And how do we do that? Okay, so what can we do? Can probably just put them into an array, or when we get the tiles and we detect everything, we set a good texture on them depending if it's gonna be destroy or built. Yeah. And then we have to set. We can just set a bool somewhere. It's not a big deal. Okay, for reference, where is this used? So I guess that's a good idea to just put them in the list. Or maybe I just don't do that. Yeah, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do something and begin play for no reason. Okay. So I guess when we show them, we can just add them in the map here. That is gonna be line2 is over another tile. I don't know. Boom. An array of bool. Go with that. Add. So we're gonna add the component thing here. And otherwise make it false. This is a bit annoying, so I'm just gonna just to clean stuff up a little bit, because it's getting messy and no likey. So this one's gonna be there and there. You'll probably plug it here with both arrays. Not really arrays, but whatever. Okay, and then the component can go at the end here. Boom, boom, tack, tack, ding, ding. Oof. Okay, I think I'm getting tired. Okay, over another tile or not? Here we go. Boom, different logic. Not really, but a little bit. Come on. Okay, so then. And actually, this is interesting. Is building or destroying? It's actually gonna be a int. I don't care. Come on, bro. Bruh. Bruh. What the heck? Thank you. By default, it's gonna be -1. Okay, so here, get path manager is building or destroying. This is gonna be over there, so that's not needed here. Then we have to find this one. Oh, come on, not again. That's annoying. What is that thing? Can I just make it primitive component just so it stops annoying me? Looks like nope. Come on. Please, Visual Studio, don't open. Do not open. Please. Please. Pretty please, don't. Please. Please. Oh, crap. Okay. Just because I want to make it cleaner, here do a little tiny bit. Move away. Here we go. Okay. And actually, this is not gonna be a bull. Crap. Because we're gonna need that one to be able to select it after. So valid, boom. If it's not valid, that means we wanna create a new one. But if it's valid, we're gonna destroy and select this one. So respawn manager, yes. Remove from world. Nope. Remove from. Remove. Ah, it's on self. Remove from world. Boom. So I'm removing self from world. And I'm selecting that one. Come on. Faster. Okay. That's it. And then... Ah, damn. This thing here. Okay. And then when I go here, I don't wanna add that block. Come on. Oh, damn. Come on, bro. I'm gonna save everything just in case, because it's getting annoying. Come on. I just wanna... Oh, okay. Too bad. Okay, okay. And then this is gonna be that one. Boom, boom. Sonia, can you stop being annoying? Thank you. Okay. So that's good. Okay. Do we want to be able to destroy? Yeah, that's gonna be... The logic's gonna be there. Yeah, yep. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. So right now, that's what happens. Let's see how it goes. So... Boom, boom, boom. Okay, the planes are a bit annoying because I don't see shit. Okay, I'm not clicking on the planes because they're not big enough. Okay, we're gonna do that. Fix that a little bit by doing +10. Boom. They're gonna be super high in the air, so it's gonna be good. Okay. So now it's deleting my crop. Building new crop, deleting the crop. Building, deleting, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. So now I'm doing this and it do whatever it does, doesn't matter. Okay. It's actually not too bad. Okay, good. I just want to make sure that if I save and reload it works. It looks pretty much the same, so that's great. Okay. Okay, so now... Okay, the planes are annoying because they are too visible, so I'm just gonna hide them, but change them. Now, boom. Should be better now. To see what happens, yeah. Okay. Okay. If I'm building, I don't want to be able to destroy anyone but the previous one. So that's one thing. And then... the previously built tile, that's the only one I want to destroy. That's the only one I'd like to be able to destroy. Or if I'm going forward, I'm never destroying anything, but if I'm going backwards... Okay. It's probably gonna work. Okay. Here. Previously built. Previous tile, whatever. previous path file path pp, boom, that one. Okay, so previous path. If this one is not valid, that's good. Or if it's the same, valid, not, or it's equal to this one. Okay. Something like that. So if we get path manager, set previous path tile, here it's making it false, like to nothing. But this one here, it's gonna be self. And actually, I think that if I put this one here, it makes more sense. I think. Okay, we'll see. If I do that, that just adds it, then removes. Okay, if I do that, then I go here. I should not be able to do that. I should not be able to do that. Fuck off. Come on, why? Because it makes it invalid before checking anything, I think. Is it? Ah, go away. So when I select a new actor, this is where I detect if I want to do that. Like I detect if I want to so it's clearly not valid at that point because okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, that one doesn't work at all. Because it's not setting it, I think. For some reason. I'm selecting the new tile. Why? It's like the previous one is not working. Why is the previous one not good, actually? Okay, I'm getting tired. Select actor here and there. Because the other one is selected before this is set. Okay. That's alright. That's not big deal. That's good. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So is it always self? I think it's always self. Okay. We'll see. Okay, that seems alright at that point. For now, it seems good. Okay. And now, if I remove that one, so I go back in the select one, I re-add my condition that says that if nothing is valid, I can go in all directions. Oh, that's good. So then I cannot like destroy random shit, but I can destroy backward, and when I go backward, I can destroy like everything. Except the last one, which can just like trash it. And bug. Yeah, I can probably just do that instead. Yeah, that's it. So I can build that one, take this one, crush it. Good enough. Okay. Now I just need to have some arrows and stuff. And colors. This one I can set the color, I think, yes. If I just have an arrow on the plane, it's probably gonna be good enough, I guess. So I can just like go draw an arrow some super quickly in Perforce. Perforce. Wow. Photoshop. Oh damn, I'm getting tired. Gonna draw an arrow in Perforce. It makes so much sense. Okay. Come on, and then back. Boom. Boom. Here we go. That's a nice one. So pretty. Oh, come on. Like that. Perfect. Wow. So pretty. I'm just gonna like, I don't know. Something like, nope, 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 nope. Butterfly. Can you please? No. Yes. That's what I did. Whatever. Thank you. And then I just want to maybe do that. Boom. Whatever. Good enough for now. Good enough for now. That thing. Oh crap. I want to keep my circle here. Then I'm just gonna like save that one. Thank you. Import. Okay. I'm gonna copy that thingy. Copy here. Add arrows. Color. I'm gonna need texture, which is, where's that thing? I don't even know where I put that circle, actually. Probably somewhere random. Yep. Whatever. Okay, just like this. Multiply. Boom. Emissive. Oh, actually, can probably just do that. Alpha there. Boom. And then can probably multiply that actually. Something like this. Okay, on that we can boom, new material. Oh, come on. Come on. Boom. Report. Okay. Just rotate them. Ah, come on. Okay. That's good. Then only thing I want to is here. Comp. Actually, after all that, set parameter color, set color. So this is gonna be like a, I don't know, orangey, because it's not red, but like that maybe. And then the other one's gonna be like, I don't know, kind of blue maybe. Kind of blue that I'm gonna use the same blue in the other thingy. Or maybe like a greenish. Sure. Good enough. Okay, now just go put that in the material. Boom. 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 Save that thing. Okay. That's good. Okay, so now if I do that. Okay. Okay. Bon, maintenant, now the only thing I might want to do is to make the path just go in the right directions. That might be a bit difficult though. So I want to have multiple. Yeah, okay. So if every time we build or destroy a path, we wanna change the textures of the paths that are beside it. And maybe diagonal? Yeah. So we have one full square, one circle. Okay, we can probably do a little bit of Photoshop in here. Don't. We're gonna go 64 by 64. It's pretty small. Yeah, 64. What the hell? 2 4 by 4 8 16 32. Yeah, okay, 32 by 32 should be good enough for what we want to do. Okay, so we have multiple path styles, so I guess we're just gonna like make it brownish for now, probably. Do we want to just have it square? I'd probably just put it square. Flat square, please. No. Is this flat square? No. Flat square, where are you? Come on. Oh wow, Photoshop's so slow. Okay. What the frick is that square? Like square with the weird round circle at the bottom. That's so odd. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. This is gray. This is not brownish. Okay, so we have that. So this is the middle tile, like empty. So if nothing around. TX, actually, not really nothing, but whatever. And then there's the other one that is full. So that one. TX everything. Everything. Okay. Then we probably have like all the corners. So for that we can like just have one corner like that, maybe. Actually, we just have to decide which width the path's gonna be. So I guess that's gonna be a good width. So I'm just gonna duplicate that one. And then I'm gonna just simply, come on, whatever. It's placeholder anyway. Good enough, I guess. Come on. Okay, can I do it differently? I'm just gonna. Come on. Why did it change all the controls? No, I don't want that. Okay. Come on. Oh damn, I'm having so much trouble. Nope, not good. Come on. I just wanna like grab this and stretch it. That's it. Come on, stretch. Good job. Wanna do the same the other direction. Actually. So now I'm just gonna like grab this part here. I'm gonna stretch it. Boom. I'm gonna merge these together. That. Merge. Good. So we have a corner. So now we have nothing in one corner. So this one is but right, and then we have the but right corner too. But right corner. So we have nothing right, but right. So now we will need a T and yeah, a bunch of them actually. How many do we need? Tile set. How many do we need actually? Yeah, that's a lot of them. So yeah, there's just the one friend too. So G.1. Nope. Dx, but and then there's the other one. Oh, come on. TX but up. Something like that. And then there's that one for the right. but the right. So there's how many cases there is there? Maybe if I go make myself like grid of some sort. No, come here. I want my snapping too. Come on, come back. Okay, so I have my cube here. So this is gonna be like because there's a ton of possibilities. So this one is full. This one is just that one. Then I can have these two. Then only these three. And then only these two. And then only that. Damn, no, that's not possible. Yeah. Hmm. Yep. Yeah, it seems pretty too much for now. So maybe we can just like go with the four corners. Like ignore them. Boom. So that makes way more sense. And then we're gonna see if we have the corners later or not. Yeah, let's go for that. So then we have a T. Screw that one. We have a corner, straight line, one alone, nothing. And the last one we need is a big T. So I can probably like duplicate that one twice. Turn this one 90 degrees. Boom. Stretch it a bit. Come on. Like that. merge. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. TX all sides. Sure, can do something like that. So what if I do that? I'm gonna go in the path. Path. Whatever. Pa, pa, la, pa. Okay. So this should give us a bunch of textures that we can use. Boom. Are they good? All sides, but blah 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 blah. That's all good. The arrow, I don't care, but good enough. Okay. So this one I'm just gonna replace. I'm just gonna replace the blueprint for now, because right now we have all the little tiles thingy that I don't care. So I'm just gonna replace it, like that one. This one I'm gonna replace it by a plane. Oh, come on. Transient content, please give me a plane. Thank you. And then I'm just gonna put it like a bit above the ground, just so it doesn't flicker too much. And then that. That's in the material. Boom. Not an arrow, because an arrow is not good. But whatever. By default, we're gonna use the nutting texture. And it's not gonna be emissive. Not translucent either. But it's probably gonna be masked though. Masked. And then we're gonna put that there. The base color. Yeah, this is the base color. And I wanna remove all these thingies. Here we go. That should be fine. Come on, how can that be that slow? Okay, so now if I have my plane, come on, display it on a plane. Unreal. Sure. Whatever. Good enough. Good enough for now. Okay. So I have my plane. So now what I want is set the texture. So I'm gonna convert that to parameter. Texture. Okay. It's so slow. What the heck? Okay. So in the path, blah blah blah, I don't care about them. Okay, so if the actor is built or destroyed, so begin play and or end play. We're gonna call the parents just so it doesn't break anything. Okay, and we're gonna update texture, and then we're just gonna have a new input. I'm gonna call update neighbors. Like that. So on begin play and destroy, I'm gonna call that, and I'm also gonna update the neighbors. For now, I guess I'm just gonna. Damn, I don't want that. Okay. Since I'm lazy and I don't have much time, I'm just gonna do boom. Go there. In the parent. That's stupid, but whatever, it's gonna work. Okay. Okay, so we wanna get all the neighbors. First of all, I'm gonna move these things away. Where's that thing? Here. All this. Boom. Just to get the neighbors. So they take the collision. If it's a path, that's good. Neighbors. Maybe neighbors to the component will be interesting. For now, I'm just gonna go with an array just to see. Okay. So add that one. Okay, neighbors. First thing first, just gonna based on the length. Set parameter. Oh. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Parameter name can be texture. And the value I'm gonna select it based on the length. So we have 0. The 0 is gonna be nothing, I think. The one neighbor is gonna be, but the option 2 is different. The 3 is gonna be, but right up, and the 4 is gonna be outside, all sides. The option 2 for now, we're gonna use the, actually, I'm just gonna place another select here with the pool that I don't care about. Put up and corner. But right? Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay. So something like this. And do that first. And I want if here. And if update on the texture, boom, 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 without updating their neighbors. Should be fine. Okay, start by looking at outlooks without the rotations and stuff. Okay, that's something. I guess it makes sense. I guess it works for the 4 sides. That's a good start. Okay. Okay. It's not perfect, but whatever. Okay. At least it works in one direction. That's good. But that's not just it. Like, I think that's gonna take a while though to do all that. And I don't think I have enough time to do that right now. And it's already been 3 hours. Damn. 3.5 hours. Yeah. So yeah, I think I might stop right there for now. Yeah, and like revert back to the previous path. I mean the mesh instead of that. But whatever. Yeah. Because that's pretty weird. Huh, there's probably a solution that already exists for that. I hope so. And I'm thinking that maybe using like a tile map instead would be good. I mean, my logic still works, it's just that for the visual thingy, the visual side of things, I will use a tile map. Huh. I have a bunch of research to do again. Oh, damn. Okay. But yeah, I guess that's gonna conclude it for today. If I just like hide the crappy thingy and show the good thingy. Yeah. That should just look a bit better, yeah. So now it's possible to create paths like that without having to drag all of them one by one. It's so stupidly annoying. Phew, phew. Oopsie, I'm stuck. And then oopsie. Yep. So yeah, that's pretty good. Good. Took way longer than I expected, but whatever. Good enough for now. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Have a nice end of day. See? I'm sleepy. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.